Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the Synthesys AI Humans app in Canva and learn how to make engaging videos for your designs in a few clicks. To get started, open your Canva dashboard and click on the App section in the sidebar. In the App directory, search for Synthesys Humans and click on the app to open it. Once the Synthesys app is open, the menu settings are on the left side of the screen. Now, choose an AI avatar from the extensive library. If you choose to use one of our 70+ pre-made avatars, click the See All button to browse through the library and select the one that best suits your video's purpose and style. Just below in the text box, enter the script you want your AI avatar to say in the video. If you have a voiceover already, select the Audio tab and then click Upload from your device to choose your file. Then, select the desired voice for your avatar between 370 voices in 140 languages. Once you're happy with your avatar voice, language, and script, click the Listen to Your Script button to hear your creation. And if you are happy with the result, click on the Generate AI video to create your AI-powered video. After a short processing time, your video will be ready. Simply drag and drop it onto any of your Canva designs. There you have it! A stunning AI-powered video seamlessly integrated into your Canva design, all thanks to Synthesys AI Humans app.